Hello potters, we got some clay, or AKA dirt. Now let's see what totally not to do. All right, so what totally not to do first is to mess around for like 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, giggling, laughing, screaming. Okay, that's gonna dry your clay out. Then, here's the next thing. The next thing is we put our thumb in and we go too far. Oh, oops. All right, that's not what you do. All right, let's try that again. So I got my thumb in there and I'll put it on the table and do it because I'm 13 and I know everything. I know everything. I know that I was told not to do this, but I know that this is the way I should do it. Okay. And I'm gonna keep pinching. Oh my gosh. What's wrong? Why did this turn out so flat? It's like a little plate. I don't get it. It was supposed to look like this. What happened? Oh, I put it on the table. Oh my gosh. This is a wire, and I'm going to just cut this in half, and I'm going to look. Okay, so you can see here, it's pretty even. It's a little bit thicker at the bottom. All right, I could probably make it a little thicker than that even. All right, now what we can do that messes your pot up completely is you'll go in here, you'll be like, I'm going to love it into submission, and I'm going to pinch it. Pinch it. I'm gonna pinch it hard, just like this. Okay? Yes, there we go. All right, now you can see the difference here. This is a pot that will break because its walls are way skinnier than my pinky, okay? Whereas these walls are at a good size. All right, so let's try this again. What do we... All right, let's try it again. Here we go. This time, I think I'm gonna use a bigger piece of clay, and I'm gonna stand up, and I'm gonna wedge it, and smush it, and wedge it, and smush it, just to make sure it's all mixed up good, all the little parts and pieces are nicely mixed. Okay, then I'm gonna make it into a circle. A sphere. Can't say the B word in middle school or we all start giggling. That would be ball. So I got my sphere almost round. There we go. It's not perfect, but close enough. And I'm gonna take my thumb, push into it. I'm probably pushed to about here, so I'm leaving some bottom. And now I'm going to gently pinch the walls a little at a time. Oh gosh, it cracked there. Not gonna freak. Just gonna gently press the walls. There we go. This is bothering me, but I'm gonna just, kind of keep working around because I know I've got a lot left to do here. Okay. And I don't have it on the table. I think I'm gonna sit down now though. There we go, that feels better. Okay. And I'm gonna try to bring it up. So when I'm pinching, I'm kind of pulling like this. All right. All right. That looks pretty good. I think my wall thickness is probably pretty even, and it's like if I cut this right here, this is all solid, and that's what I want because I'm going to be cutting some feet. That's pretty even. Again, I don't want it to get too thin. All right, now I'm gonna just roll it just a little to kind of flatten those pinchies out just a little. it's on the table now. That's right, and I'm done pinching. I'm just gonna kind of smooth my lip, and I'm not really even, this is totally so not done at all. It's just, yeah, it's not gonna be perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna let this rest. Okay, put that in there for safekeeping, and I'm done today. I just want to let that rest.